So here we are. Here's a lovely forest. See all the trees. Get a bit of sun there. Got a nice sound of the river, which you'll be seeing in a minute. Got plenty of wildlife around here. Here are the birds. The ground's a bit wet, so I might not go too far. Wow, look at that steep slope. There's part of the river down there, if you can see. And all the birds. It's a nice place to go when you're feeling stressed. Just go down here, have a walk, calm yourself down with the noise of the river and the noise of the birds, taking in all the scenery. And the path is it's all gravel, so you don't have to worry about getting your feet too muddy either, which is good. Here we go, we're about to approach the river now. We'll have a closer look at this place. There's a sign here too. Nature Reserve. We have a look at the water. On the other side, look. Look at that. There's a lot of water right there. Bound to be lots of little water creatures in there. This really is a very peaceful place. You've even got bird boxes there for all the birds to stay. Hopefully it's designed to keep the grey squirrels out, because they're a bit of a rodent problem around here with them. There's a bit more of the river. Look at that. Happy little thing there. Look at that. So fascinating. So peaceful. I'm going to turn around in a bit though. I believe it gets a bit muddy there down here. Probably because it's so close to the water. But a nice little walk. You can take your dogs down here. I'll make it to this bend, then I'll turn around because it gets muddier. A bit more of the river down there, see? So it gets muddy. We can have a quick look. And that's it, guys. So it is a nice little walk to go down. Obviously, be careful of the weather because it does get a little bit muddy towards the part where I turned around from. Make sure you bring your wellies and maybe a good raincoat, depending on what time of the year it is. Look at it though. Yeah, you get a lot of wildlife around here. Look at that. So it's good views. I made it back to the bridge. We'll get another quick look around here. This is not part of the trail, it's just going off on grass, but have a look at the water. See how close we can get. Look at that. Just so I can get something to fill in there. Let's see a rock. I think I missed. I'll try that again. Let's try this one. Look at that. Right. Let's head back. Yeah, it's a nice little forest. We have plenty of wildlife here. Perfect for if you want to be away with nature. And this is the end. This is back at the entrance where I started. And you'll see here that a tree has fallen down. And the roots have come up with it as well. So you've got a big hole in the ground. If you look over here to my left, over here, big ditch. I don't want to get too close in case I fall in, but yeah, there's bound to be some animals that live in there. But that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all guys next time. Bye.